Oh wow, oh, look, it reflects in a mirror. It's pretty cool. Can you see that? Can you see how it reflects in a mirror? Okay. So there's an interesting installation.
Yeah. So let's go to level 2, because that is where the installation is.
Was it the level 2 one?
Yeah. I remember it.
Okay, let's see it.
Yes.
Get ready for the music.
Going down.
Ooh, look at that!
Okay, we can see it.
Doors opening.
Okay, shall we come out?
Yes.
Shall we come out of the lift? Okay, show me the hula hoop. Okay, they call it a Sphere 2000. Okay, oh wow, oh, look, it reflects in a mirror. It's pretty cool. Can you see that? Can you see how it reflects in a mirror? Okay, so that's pretty cool. You want to go and read about it?
Yeah.
I just love how it reflects in a mirror. Okay, so what does it say?
The Fred Tscida Sphere 2000.
Okay, so he inspired apparently the generations of the glass neon artists.
Yeah, but what do you think?
I know, it's amazing, I love it. Yeah. It's pretty cool.
I've got an idea.
I just love the reflection, and you can see the reflection even on the glass panels where you've got the staircase. Can you see the staircase that way, Bastien? The other side, look at that.
That looks so cool.
It's reflecting on the glass surfaces.
Staircase to see it.
You want to go and see it from there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go then. So when's your performance again?
December 9th.
Oh, is this shut? It looks like it. Okay, you can see it from here. Yep. Okay.
Let's see it from different floors.
Okay, we can go up, higher up.
I think I want to check from level 3.
We can go up on this staircase.
Yeah. So let's run
Okay.
like this.
Yeah.
Okay, I can already see it.
Okay.
We're on level 3.
Mhm. Okay, you want to go up here? Let's go. And this is that.
So why did they shut level 3?
I don't know. Okay, so you can see it a little bit from here.
Doesn't it look like the singing lift stops at level 3?
I don't know. Did you try to stop it at level 3?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Did we try?
Yeah, we can do. See what's going to happen. Okay.
Can we say up?
Okay.
So, there's the singing lift being empty.
Okay, so let's try level 3 to see if it stops right opposite to it. Okay.
Yep, we're going to level 3.
And on this side?
I'm looking.
Okay. It's very cool. So cool. Oh, so you can see it.
Look, the door's open.
Okay. Let's go and see it from here. So the stairs are shut, but
We can
we
go
were
up on
able
the
to
lift.
come up here. Oh wow, look at this. Now you can see it from the top. How cool is that?
Yeah, it looks really cool.
I love the reflection in the glass window.
And you can even see it better.
Yeah.
You can see this thing closer.
Yeah, I know.
What do you think?
I love
This
it.
is one of the better views. It's better than the view downstairs.
Mm-hmm.